Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Matic video update. And guys, I'm still bearish on Matic right now, and there's a lot of things to talk about. So number one is going to be on the monthly time frame right off the bat. So what I want to show you on the monthly time frame is something known as three-line strike pattern. So from the three-line strike pattern, we do have this candlestick like this one, and that's going to be something like this. Okay, so this is a bearish candlestick actually. When you have three red candles and one big huge green candle, that's exactly what Matic has put in: three red candles back to back and one big huge green candle like this one. So these four candles, when you combine them, that actually gives you the whole scenario, and the whole scenario is that you do have bearish engulfing. Now, sorry, three-line strike pattern right there. The second thing that I want to show you is going to be bearish Harami candlestick pattern. So here we are. So bearish Harami candlestick pattern, just like that. And this is how it looks like. So one big huge green candle, and next to it is a small red candle like that one. That is really bearish. Now my personal take is that September is going to be dumpy, and we could even have October to actually go down and whatever. But if September pretty much is now guaranteed to be red. Okay, it's gonna be red in my personal honest opinion. Now there's one way to invalidate that bearishness, and that is to actually close above 9268. If somehow magic happens and you see Matic going above 92 and hold this level, then there's a good chance you actually can go to the upside. Now that's the monthly time frame. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take 30 days probably to play out. That's a long time to wait. Now the thing is, if you're a swing trader, that's a nice shorting opportunity on a monthly time frame. Really nice. On the daily though, we do have answers, and that is a bear flag, right? So we've already put a bear flag on a daily time frame, and Matic for that purpose is actually going to go from there to there, and we're looking for Matic to come all the way down to 0.6 level, right? 0.59, 0.6, and that's pretty much the technical target, at least for now. And I do believe it's going to go even lower than that, but we're going to talk about that one in the future, and that's going to be a 26% drop to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Matic. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.